How to use Spotify Radio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of Spotify. So as you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Spotify application. So tap on open and it will lead us to the Spotify application. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. Now here you can see the homepage of my account in the Spotify application. So as you tap on any of the song that you want, I'm going to select on this one over here. As you tap on any of this song, just go to the song and then at the top right corner, you'll be able to see the three dotted lines. Tap on it and then scroll down, and here you cannot see any of the option of Spotify Radio. So this may be the feature that is not available in my region right now, but generally in case of availability in your region, there will be option of the Spotify song radio or the Spotify radio option over here. You just have to tap on that and the song similar to the vibe that you match in the particular song will be provided to you and the playlist will be available to you. So you can just listen to any of the songs that comes under certain mood, depends upon your mood and also your energy right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.